guys, welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, my name is Shelly. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the PMD Beauty Kiss Lip Plumping device for the very first time. I basically own all of the devices that PMD Beauty offers because I really do believe that they are effective in terms of skin preservation, cleansing my face, and I am really excited to try this out today because our lips are really an area that show aging before other areas on our body. So our hands, our décolleté, our necks, and our lips are kind of those first indicators visually that we are starting to get older. So this is kind of like a dual action device. Not only is this device going to give your lips that full plump appearance that basically every woman is looking for, especially today, it's also going to help to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on your lips. It helps to restore your lips' natural pink color that is also associated with being youthful. And it also creates instant, long-lasting fullness and volume. So with that information, I was immediately sold. So if you're interested in watching me try out the PMD Beauty Kiss Lip Plumping device, then go ahead and keep on watching. So before I jump into trying out the device, I just want to give you a little bit of information about it so you can understand how it works to plump your lips. So the concept here is to get fuller, plumper lips without having to, resort to needles and filler. So it is non-invasive, and I really like that. And it's also cost effective. A syringe of filler can be in upwards of $500+, and the average person, myself included, can't afford to do that. So I was really interested to see if this device would actually work. So this device works via Pulsating Vacuum Technology that is patent pending. And basically the Pulsating Vacuum Technology is meant to safely plump your lips in conjunction with the lip plumping serum that comes with the product. What I thought was really cool is that the use of these two products together can increase the production of collagen in our lips, which again is going to help create that fullness and volume. So in terms of the product and packaging, this is the box that the device comes in. It also comes with a USB charger, the Kiss device itself, obviously. As mentioned, it comes with the lip plumping serum, and it comes with two lip plumping tips. This is that pink rubber piece right here. It does come with one that is a little bit larger, so small and large. And lastly, this device, along with the other PMD devices, comes with a 1-year warranty, so that is good. I have fresh, clean lips. I don't have anything on them, and that is the directions on the website and the packaging itself. So how you use this device is basically, again, you use it in conjunction with the lip plumping serum. So you apply that to clean, dry lips, and the packaging does say to make sure you just keep the product on your lips because it does have a tingling sensation. And once you apply the lip plumping serum to your lips, you're supposed to use the tip of the device. Obviously, we'll turn that on in a second. And you're supposed to use it on 4 areas. So you use it on kind of this side of your Cupid's bow, the other side, the right side of your lower lip, and the left side of your lower lip as well. And the device comes with 2 speed settings. You have your standard speed, which you can use for a quick plump, or it comes with a low speed, which is meant for a more intense, targeted plump. So I'm trying to decide which speed I want to go with today. I think for the sake of time, I'll just do the first speed. So I'm just going to turn it on so you can kind of hear it. I think this is the standard speed. And this is the low speed. One click on the device will turn on its standard speed, and if you hit it a second time, it will take it down to its low speed, which is again for an intense, targeted plump. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and apply the serum to my lips. No smell to the product that I can tell right now. Looks like your typical lip balm applicator. Okay, so it does have a white color to it, obviously, we can see that. And before my lips are plump, I just kind of want to give you a before. Get real close here for you. So it is thicker in consistency. It is a little bit white. It's like a white paste. It does have a little bit of a peppermint smell, and as I've had the serum on my lips for a couple seconds now, I am starting to feel a cooling sensation, which I think is nice. I know some people stray away from tingling lip plumping lip glosses because of how intense the tingling can be, and I'm not really feeling that just yet. As mentioned, it says to use on the 4 designated anatomical locations of your lips. See, I'll show you. It comes with directions just like this. It shows you on the top lip and the bottom lip. And then it says for best results, you're supposed to do 10 pulses on each location of your lip. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm trying to blend in the product. Doesn't hurt, it's not uncomfortable. Okay, we'll go on the second side. Okay, we'll do the bottom. You want to create a tight seal. Okay. It also says for a targeted plump, you can use like the intersections of your lips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now because I'm extra, but this is using the device on the 4 sides of my lips. From just that first use, I can feel my lips a little bit fuller. Can you tell? I think they look especially fuller right here in my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. Again, this is not uncomfortable at all. The lip serum is not too tingly either. All right, so I'm just gonna wipe the serum off a little bit. It's a little bit chunky, which doesn't bother me. It's just kind of an observation. I definitely noticed some fullness here in my bottom lip. Okay, so on the low speed, it does feel like the suction is a little bit stronger than the standard speed, not in a bad way. Okay, I definitely notice a difference the more I'm doing this. This is literally so cool. Okay, and that is after using the device on the second setting. Again, I just did 10 pulses each side on the right side of my Cupid's bow, left side, and then the same thing on the bottom. My lips are definitely plumper. I don't know if you can tell, but I can just tell from moving my lips and talking that there is an increased fullness there, which I think is so amazing. I think this is so cool and really, really innovative because, again, I don't want to go out and spend $500+ on a syringe of filler that's only going to last me for 3, 6, 9 months, depending on your body and your metabolism. So to have a device like this that I can use to get visible plumping and also increase collagen in my lips and reduce my signs of aging, I am all about it. I don't know why I've waited so long to try this. I think I will be honest, a little bit skeptical because there are so many lip plumping devices out on the market, just don't work. And it is so exciting to find one that really does give you a fuller pout. Obviously, it's not in your face. You're not going to get duck lips. I mean, if you were to really go kind of ham with it, I'm sure you could really build the fullness that you are looking for. So if you like a fuller pout, you could keep using this on the sides over and over to really build up to what you are looking for aesthetically. I like the ability to use the quick setting in the morning before I leave to just kind of give my mouth a little bit of a plump. And then if I'm going out for dinner or something like that, or getting my picture taken, I might use the lower setting for the intense plumping to kind of give a fuller look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the PMD Beauty Kiss Lip Plumping device. I really think this is another win for this brand. They just keep knocking it out of the park in my opinion. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, so if you are interested in viewing our future uploads, be sure to hit the bell notification icon below, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.